Hello, hello, my most amazing artists. Today we are going to draw a caveman or an early man drawing of an animal. Okay. As we know, early man was responsible for the earliest form of art, and one of the things that they used to draw is animals on the cave walls, or they used to paint them on the cave walls, or sometimes carve them in. Today, we're going to be drawing an animal that we see not only on the cave walls, but also today, still, many, many thousands of years later. And we can see this animal even in our town. Okay. We're going to be drawing a deer. A deer. All right, here we go. You're going to need a paper to start with. Oh, sorry, it's a little fuzzy. We're going to need a paper and a pencil, or a black crayon and a Sharpie. If you're drawing in Sharpie, make sure you have paper underneath. I'm going to draw in black crayon. All right. In the center of your paper, I want you to draw an oval. Look, I'm drawing with my finger first so I can see how big it is. An oval. Okay. I'm going to draw nice and slowly. Take my time. There we go. Now, I'm going to make my deer facing this way. His head is going to be over here. But if you want, you can flip my drawing and you can put the head back here and the tail here instead. So, the next step is we're going to put our finger at the top and bring it over just to where the line starts to curve. And we're going to put a little line coming out. We're going to do the same thing here. Finger on the bottom, bring it around, and just on the right hand side, we're going to bring it out. So it's got a neck. All right, now we're going to draw another smaller oval that's leaning for the head here. Next step, we're going to draw some antlers, some straight lines. We're going to see this is the side of our deer, so we're really only seeing part. We're going to draw an ear here. So we're only seeing that one eye because we're seeing it from the side. Maybe we're going to see a little bit of the top of the other ear on the other side. Okay, when you're ready, we are missing feet. We have to do feet. We're going to draw 4 legs. We're going to start with the 2 outer legs. Watch what I mean. Start at the back, come down, and they're just like long hot dogs. And I'm going to start in the front. Long, skinny ovals. Then we're going to do the next set of them, but they're going to be shorter because they're on the other side of the body. So I'm going to make them a little bit shorter. Let's see, the last thing that we're missing is its little tail. All right, when you're done, you can color in the hooves. And you can use your crayons to color in your deer. Now, I'm going to use a quick stick through this just because I like to and I have some fun with it. And I'm going to use brown because usually the deer are brown. But that's not the only color I have to use, because they definitely blended their colors. If I want to use some orange, I can. To go over some of that brown. But I definitely want to go slow to stay inside the lines. The cavemen, when they were coloring, they used to use a kind of colored dirt called ochre. And they also would use mud or ash from their fire or even berries. So there we have a caveman painted deer.